everyone, so today we're going to go over the pros and cons on the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe 11-in-1. I've had it for a little while now, so I wanted to talk to you about the stuff I like and some of the stuff I don't really like. And at the end, I'll tell you if I would buy it again or if I think you should buy it. Let's start with the pros. Pro number one. First of all, this machine is super easy to use. It's quick and easy. You just pour in your favorite items, fruits, snacks, whatever you want. Freeze them, press a button, and that's it. It's way easier, way simpler than your regular ice cream machine. Pro number two, making ice cream from anything. One of the coolest things is that if you can pretty much imagine it, you can make ice cream out of it. Fresh fruits, I tried energy drinks, cookies, candy, you name it. You can turn anything into ice cream, pretty much anything. And it's so much fun to get creative with it and kind of see the results. Pro number three, you can make smaller portions. So I really like that because a regular ice cream machine, you make those big batches, which is great when you have like a family of 5 or 4 or whatever, but sometimes it's just me and my girlfriend and we like to try different flavors. So you can make smaller batches of different flavors and you're not committing to a huge batch. So that's perfect for me. Now, let's talk about the cons. They're not a big deal, but I wanted to mention them. The first one is you have to wait 24 hours for freezing. Every machine is the same way. But it's kind of like you just open the machine, you make the mixture, you're in a mood for ice cream. Well, not now. You have to wait 24 hours. Honestly, this is true for most ice cream makers out there, so it's not a big deal. Con number two, noise level. Some people mention in the reviews that it's loud. But honestly, when I used it, I found that it wasn't as bad as expected. Sure, it does make some noise, but it's really not terrible, and it's definitely quieter than a blender. So for me, that's not a big issue. So there you have it. Despite a couple of minor drawbacks, which is the freezing time, but that's going to be with every machine, and the noise level, it's not that quiet, but it doesn't really bother me. That's pretty much it. And the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe, I think it's fantastic. It makes high quality frozen treats. You can make smoothies, you can make sorbet, you can do all kinds of treats. And would I buy it again? Yes, absolutely. I definitely recommend it. It's been great. I love the machine. It's so quick and easy, and you will not regret it. So I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.